Hello students, a very good morning to you. Welcome back to your computer class, my dear 8th standard students. So open your IT Planet Windows 7 with Office 2010 book at page number 14, chapter number 2, Spreadsheets Formulas. Let us start with the simple definition of spreadsheet. Means what is spreadsheet actually? A spreadsheet is a sheet of paper that shows accounting or other data in rows and columns. A spreadsheet is also a computer application program that simulates a physical spreadsheet by capturing, displaying, and manipulating data arranged in rows and columns. Now students, look at the board carefully. I am going to explain you the difference between the rows and the columns. So, here I am going to make rows and columns. When we are marking lines from top to bottom, these lines are from top to bottom. From top to bottom, lines are known as the columns. These are the columns. Okay, and when we are marking lines from left to right, when lines are going from left to right, these are known as rows. These are known as rows. And then the intersection of rows and columns. Now you see that these columns and rows intersect each other and making small boxes. These small boxes are known as cells. These are known as cells. So you can say that in simple definition, the intersection of rows and columns are known as cells. And cells are the places where we enter the text in MS Excel. Enter text, entering data. These are known as the cells. So, this is actually the spreadsheet where we enter the data, and here entering data is used for mostly accounting purposes. As you already know that MS Excel is a spreadsheet program and mostly it is used for organizing data, completing calculation or representing data. Students, as you know that Excel spreadsheet or any spreadsheet is always consist of rows and columns, and the collection of rows and columns is known as a worksheet or a spreadsheet, and then the collection of the spreadsheets or worksheets is known as a workbook. Each worksheet has 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. And one thing more, I just want to add, the intersection of rows and column is known as a cell. That I already told you and explains you. Now have a look on the parts of the spreadsheet. It consists of various bars and toolbars such as title bar. At the top of the screen is the title bar, then menu bar, formula bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar. These toolbars and bars are present at the top of the screen. Further, it consists of the active cell that I told you. Columns and rows intersection is known as a cell, and the selected cell is known as the active cell. And then they are showing one more thing, column headings and row headings. Heading means the title given to the particular column, like E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D are the titles of the column. So these are known as the column headings, and the rows headings are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so for example, here the active cell is A1, means row number 1 and column number A is selected. So active cell is A1. And then at the bottom of the screen, the other toolbars are sheet tab, scrolling buttons, status bar, worksheet tabs, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. These scroll bars are used to move your text from top to bottom or from right to left. And the last side, on the right side of the screen, there is the task pane, means it is showing that which task you are performing. This is about the parts of the Excel spreadsheet. Now have a look on some features of the spreadsheet, like cell address, the name given to the cell's location in the spreadsheet. Column letters and row numbers is used for the address. Then label. Words at the top of a column usually gives a name to the column. Value. The number entered in the cell. Row. The horizontal divisions in a spreadsheet named with the number. Active cell. The highlighted cell in the cell currently active. Data can be entered when it is active. Then column. The vertical divisions in a spreadsheet named with a letter. Cell. The small rectangles in a spreadsheet, it is where a row and column intersect. Then data entry bar. It shows the data as it is entered into a cell. Data appears in the cell after the enter tab or return keys are pressed. Now I am going to tell you how to start MS Excel. Basic steps to start MS Excel are: click on Start button, Start menu will appear, click on All programs, click on Microsoft Office and then click on Microsoft Excel 2010. Rather than that, there are many other ways to open MS Excel, so have a look on them also. Next is how to enter data in MS Excel.
Let's see how to enter data in Excel 2010. Simply click on a cell and begin typing. Press Enter to complete the entry and move down. Type, press Enter, and it moves down. You can enter text, numbers, or formulas in a cell. I'll do another set of data. This time I'll enter numbers. So I'll click, type a number. This time I'll press Tab to move to the right. Type, press Tab, type, press Tab, type, press Tab. Now if I press Enter, it will actually drop me to the beginning of the next row, which is very convenient. So type, press Tab, type, press Tab, type, press Tab, type, press Tab. And that's it.
So what we have learned today: definition of spreadsheet, parts of spreadsheet, features of spreadsheet, how to start MS Excel, and how to enter data in MS Excel. And your homework is to learn chapter 1. Thank you very much.